I am here in the M&S development kitchen and I'm going to make a classic Caesar salad. However, this is not just any Caesar salad, this is my Cajun chicken Caesar salad using these incredible cooked with M&S Cajun chicken breasts already coated in a delicious spice mix. And I'm going to use these crispy croutons, a lovely roasted garlic mayo, some incredible high quality M&S Select Farm British pork lardons, British Romaine lettuce, Cornish cove cheddar, and we're going to mix this all together into an incredible salad. We're just going to throw these onto a tray, and now we're just going to throw that cooked with M&S Cajun chicken and our British bacon lardons in the oven and let them cook away for about 27 minutes. Simple Caesar dressing. I'm using this cooked with M&S roasted garlic mayo. Get that into a little mixing bowl. We just add that British Cornish cove cheddar. To take our dressing to the next level, we've got the roasted juices from that chicken. And just in with a pinch of black pepper. Now we just slice that chicken up. We just want to slice it into 1 centimetre slices. So into our British Romaine lettuce. In we go with some of that dressing. Now we want to put in half of that beautiful Cajun chicken. You can just see how moist and juicy that is. Just half of those M&S Select Farm British bacon lardons. Time to go with our croutons. So we've tossed it all together. Time to serve up a portion of this. This will serve 4, but I'm just going to get one plated up for myself right now. Lovely big handful of those crispy Romaine lettuce leaves. We've got that beautiful chicken. It's moist and succulent, British bacon lardons, roasted garlic mayo. And there we go, that is my cooked with M&S Cajun chicken Caesar salad. That's a lovely spicy twist, perfect for the summer. Serves 4, pack it up, take it on your picnics. I tell you what, that is how I cook with M&S. Recipe on screen now, over to you. Do not forget to let us know if you make this one. Comment below, tag us in your pictures, and also don't forget to subscribe to M&S YouTube channel where you'll find more delicious recipes just like this Cajun chicken Caesar salad.